Hey, this is Stephen Klein. I've got Robbie Besser here, and I'm in my Therasage 360 Plus full spectrum infrared sauna. Wanted to share a little bit about the benefits of this sauna, but also talk about what this infrared sauna can do, given what we're dealing with COVID-19, the threat of viruses, contamination, etc.
After the age of 30, our bodies naturally start making less nitric oxide. And because of that, our ability for our blood to retain oxygen and move it around our tissues to keep us strong and vibrant starts to diminish. It's one of the reasons why we age. Another way of saying it is what has been known to be called oxidative stress. So we start to get less oxygen in our bloodstreams. So anything we can do to bring more oxygen in our bloodstream is the best thing going. What's unique about the Thera 360 and the 360 Plus, which is the unit you have, full spectrum infrared frequencies, the near part of the spectrum will generate nitric oxide naturally. The extra, the part that's enhanced about the 360 Plus and what you did by getting that upgrade kit, it brings those front light panels in that sort of dials more of the near frequency into our full spectrum cocktail. So why that's important is we're sort of dialing up our body's natural ability to make this nitric oxide. So now when you're in the sauna, you're starting to perspire, sweat, women glisten, and as you start to perspire, your skin gets hydrated, and that hydration sort of commutes the skin from being just a detox pathway getting poisons out, but it also becomes a breathing organ to get things in directly into your bloodstream. So the combination or the stacking of nitric oxide and giving the body more oxygen is a brilliant, brilliant way to fight off this virus, onslaught, because the virus doesn't like the oxygen. And so the sauna does two things. It detoxes, as we know, but it also creates a false fever inside, which is called hypothermia. And that false fever elicits heat shock proteins that target these viruses, not just for our killer cells to attack, but it also disables their replicating systems. And that's the true danger of a virus, is that it latches onto a cell, it grabs the DNA and RNA, which is like our cell's operating system. The virus grabs that, it becomes the virus's operating system, and then the virus has one purpose only, that's just to multiply. And so if we can knock out that multiplying or the replicating process of the virus, then it gives our natural immune systems an opportunity to fight back and win this battle.
Fantastic. So that says it all. So, Rob,